So this is Lance, and I'm done with the boat. We put, like I said, in this Yamaha boat, 21 footer, we put in 3 amplifiers, 2 Audison SR 4.500s, and 1 SR 1.500, and we also did a AUDIOCONTROL DM-810 DSP. So, like I said, a DSP on a boat is the way to go if you can do it. If you can find the time and you have the space, and your customers are willing to go the extra mile to get what they want out of the system, the DSP is the way to go. So let me show you how we set this setup on this boat. So I moved the computer into one of the area where the amps and everything is. So the way we set this up is we set up the inputs from that fusion radio from here. So we got front input, which is technically front, and we use the sub output from that fusion radio here. And then we have the rear, which is for the towers, and that's your input gain level there. So we kind of play with it a little bit. So with that said, we labeled the channels 1 and 2 tower on the output side, towers, and then we did the crossover at 60 hertz, 24 dB per octave. And then we did, as you can see, we channel 1 and 2 is the towers. And then if you scroll down, you'll see what we did on the EQ side. Now we just did one channel. We didn't do separate EQs or time alignment. We just basically did one set of EQs for that, and that's what the EQ looks like. And then we did channel 3 and 4 as the front speakers. We did the crossover point at 80 hertz here, 24 dB per octave. And then we basically, that's your EQ. So all the speakers are 24 dB per octave except for the sub. I should say 80 hertz except for the sub. It's obviously low pass. So that's your EQ for the front of the boat. And I just basically did it. So here, let me label this. Front speakers. Oh, let's take it out, just say front. I'm gonna do these as mid of the boat. So we'll do middle. I'm gonna do these as rears, and we'll label these as the subs, which basically is just a mono output for the sub. We'll lock that in memory by holding the button down here and lock that in memory. So yeah, we want to override. So whenever somebody brings it up, it always comes up as this file. So we got, that's your front speakers. This is your mid speakers. And this is the bow speakers, and this is the sub. So yeah, I didn't not much boost on it, and it actually sounds really, really good. What we'll do is run a track real quick and show you how it really sounds. Oh, also, that's where the amps are looking on the board. I don't know if you can see it, but that's basically how it looks. And as you can see, the DM-810 is still blinking because it's still plugged in the computer. So we save it. We've saved it already. We can exit out of here. Now let's see what it sounds like. So let's check out how it sounds.
Wave, look, why you mad? Get to the bag. Long face, took a case, get the cash. I've been living fast, still far from average. Real talk, all this shit is right outside what I imagine. Young, black, and raspy, catch me with a lab. Young, nigga make the slap that make her body do magic. Won't stop till my bank account magnets. Looking like I'm still running paper routes backwards. Money bags, no advance, snap back like a rubber band. Pretty thing with a suntan, make it bounce back when she do the dance. Call my song, we supposed to pay. See your things, do a different lens.